Inflation, if you go to the store and it costs you more to buy the same goods and services, that's really the erosion of the dollar.
Welcome back to another episode of Gee Whiz Weekends. I'm Emerald Fox.
I'm Lynette Zang.
Even though the top 30% of the companies or less held the S&P 500 and even allowed it to break record highs, is it a record high or is it just inflation?
That is such a good question, because what you're really talking about is nominal confusion, where people marry the numbers, and it also hides the true trend. The real trend, you talked about stock markets making new highs. Well, interest rates are a key tool that central bankers use to regulate the rate and speed of inflation. Who has access to that money at 0% interest are these large corporations and Wall Street entities, right? So they can borrow the money to push up the prices and make it look like that. However, to your point, you can only convert those stock market gains into dollars, in this country, dollars, or the local currency, wherever you are. And the real trend is what's happening in the purchasing power. And what do we know? Inflation, even if you don't ever look at a chart, inflation, if you go to the store and it costs you more to buy the same goods and services, that's really the erosion of the dollar. So today we have trillion-dollar companies. But guess what? In Venezuela, in 2012, 13, 14, and 15, I could be off on my dates a little bit, but it's in that range. Venezuela had the best performing stock markets in the world. But they were also going through hyperinflation, which has not been resolved yet, because they don't change behavior. They just change the way they account for it. And so if all you can do is convert these assets, like stock market assets, into the fiat money, well, guess what? 1 trillion times zero is still zero.
Right.
And what do we know? We know that no fiat money, so no government-based money, has ever survived the test of time. Please like us, leave a comment, share. And until next we meet, please be safe out there. Bye-bye.